Every day, thousands of small YouTubers actually give up on their YouTube channel before they even get to video 20. And the truth about YouTube is not difficult. You only need time and a specific strategy for you to make it on YouTube. Let's look at it this way. Those who are succeeding on YouTube are not the best content creators, and neither are their content of value or even the best content out there. You might be watching me right now and struggling with your channel. You have good quality videos, you also have good sound. I mean, everything about the videos you have right there is of value, and you are not succeeding. I just want to encourage you today not to give up, because you need time and you need a specific strategy. And when you find that strategy, you would be able to succeed on your YouTube channel. Now, the people who are succeeding, they've tried different strategies. I mean, if you go to ask them in an interview, they will tell you they've tried different strategy before they found out the strategy that works for their channel, and they stick to that. Now, let's look at YouTube this way. YouTube is like you planting a tree. Now, if you plant a tree, you need to actually nurture that tree for that tree to grow. What small YouTubers do is when they plant this tree or when they start up their channel, they just want to post a video every day. I mean, competing with other people without trying different strategies to see what actually works for their channel. Now, when you plant a tree, what do you do with that tree for the tree to grow? You water the tree, you nurture the soil, maybe add fertilizers, and you do other things to make sure that that tree grows. And these things you're doing, you're not just doing when you've planted the tree, you have to do it every other day, depending on the season that tree or the season when you are planting the tree. Now, this also goes back to your YouTube channel. When you create a content on your YouTube channel, what do you do with that content you've dropped on your channel? Now, some people just drop the video and they go on to creating a second video without nurturing the first video they dropped. You need views, you need watch time on that video, you need subscribers on the video. So if you drop a video, rather than you going on to the next video to create the next video and drop on the channel, you need to nurture that video and make sure that it grows. I mean, what will you do? You have to promote the video. You might use the social media platforms you have to promote that video so that you get views. You can invite your friends, your family, and all that. But if you drop the video and you just expect the video to grow, you go to the next video, you create the next video, you come back to the channel and post it, then it will take you time to grow. Now, when you post a video on YouTube, you need to try different strategies to see which one works for you and works for that video and works for that channel. Because the truth is, each video has a different strategy that will actually grow. You might use this strategy on a video and it grows, but when you try on the second video, that strategy will not work for the video. So every time you need to keep trying different strategies on each video you drop on your channel to see which one best suits the video. Now, let me tell you why you shouldn't quit your YouTube channel. The first reason is because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, which makes it very comfortable for any creator to be able to be on this platform and make it. Secondly, there is a lot of money to be made on YouTube. And thirdly, you can create whatever form of content you want on YouTube. So you want to be in a platform where you have the flexibility of the kind of content you want to create. And another reason, you can pick whatever niche you want to as a content creator right here on YouTube. So no matter the difficulties you're facing on your YouTube channel, never give up on that channel. Keep trying different strategies, and definitely you will get a strategy that works best for your channel. Another reason why you should not even give up on your YouTube channel is because there are so many communities out there that can help you grow your channel. I mean, small YouTubers have come together with different strategies on how they can spike their channels. You can join the link, like I said, either of them or both of them, to join these communities and see how you can actually spike up your channel and grow your YouTube channel. I mean, there is a lot of money to be made. There is a lot of communities you can actually join. There are things you can do on YouTube that will bring you wealth in the next 2 months, in the next 6 months, in the next 10 years. And if you give up today, you're going to regret on that when you see the other small YouTubers you started up with that have not given up on their channel, how they are making it, why you actually gave up on your own channel. Remember, these are actually contents that even in the next 10 years, you can actually still earn from it. You're not just earning the time you drop the content, but that content will actually generate revenue for you as long as it's there on YouTube, and also as long as people watch that video. I know that most of you as small YouTubers think that the algorithm of YouTube is actually against you, it is punishing you, or it doesn't want you to grow. That is not true. The algorithm of YouTube has one job: to match a video with the right person that wants to consume that video. And for the algorithm of YouTube to be able to do that with your video, you need to draw the attention of the algorithm of YouTube. Remember, there are millions of content creators right here, and millions of contents are dropped every day on YouTube. How do you attract this algorithm? To be able to link your video with the right audience. Because one thing you do not want is to get an audience that would just watch maybe 2 seconds of your video and click out. No, that is not what you want as a small YouTuber. You want an audience that will actually click on your video, watch that video, not just 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but watch all of that video, subscribe, comment, and also come back every other time to that channel to get more value. So that is the algorithm's job, and it is there to do that. It is not against you as a small YouTuber. You just need time to be able to strategize to make sure that you attract the algorithm of YouTube to send your videos to the right audience. Now, I want to give you an example like this. Just imagine you're walking across the street and then you see 5 people standing at the same position and looking at something. What will you do? A lot of people will walk towards that area to see what these 5 people are looking at. All right. Now, if there are 10 people, if there are 100 people, 100 more people will come to that same spot to see exactly what is happening. But if you're walking along the street and you see just one person standing lonely in a path and not even looking, or maybe gets in and gets out, or looks this way and turns back and keeps moving, you will not even have an interest to look at that position. So this is what happens with the algorithm of YouTube. When it walks towards your channel, sorry, it's not walking to your channel, or when it gets access to your channel and it sees just maybe one person walks into your channel and walks out, or 5 people walk in and walk out, it's not going to be interested on your channel or the video you've posted. But if the algorithm sees that there are a lot of people, clicking into your channel and sticking to that video till the end, then it will know that there is something of value right there that it has to take to a lot of people. So what you have to do as a content creator is to make sure you water the video you drop on YouTube. So, as a small YouTuber, the best way for you to grow is for you to promote your channel, and there are several ways that you can actually promote your channel. You can promote your channel through sponsored ads. You can also promote your channel through reaching out on social media platforms. You can promote your channel by reaching out to your family, your friends. Draw people that you know that can watch your video and watch till the end, so that with that, the algorithm will now recommend your video to as many people as possible. So YouTube doesn't care about if you have 5 subscribers, 0 subscribers, or even 1,000 subscribers. What YouTube cares about is if the people who are engaging in that video are watching the video till the end. So as a content creator, you want to create content of value, so that even if you have just one person watching that video, let the person watch till the end, and that will trigger the algorithm to push your video to more other people. That is all YouTube cares about: watching the video and watching the video till the end. Do they like your comment? Do they comment on your comment? Do they come back to other videos on your channel to watch? These are the things that YouTube cares about. So Thousands of small YouTubers actually give up on their channel before they even get to video 20. That's because they drop their content, they don't nurture the content, and they just go on to create another one. YouTube is not, when they talk about consistency, it's not about you being consistent with posting every other day or 4 times a week. Consistency is actually about you keeping the audience you have had on your channel on every other video that you drop on YouTube. And the amazing thing about you not quitting your channel is your skills naturally improve with each video you drop on YouTube. And secondly, you build a small but loyal audience, which is very important on YouTube. And thirdly, your library of content grows, which increases your discovery on YouTube. And fourthly, YouTube actually gathers data about who engages more on your content, and it actually now links your content with the right audience that are looking for the kind of content you create on your channel. So why do you want to quit when you've dropped just 20 videos? There are actually small YouTubers or successful YouTubers on YouTube right now that went through YouTube for 3 years before getting monetization. But nowadays, it is even easy for you to get this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 3 weeks, even in 1 week. Now, how do you actually survive long enough to see growth on your channel? I would give you 4 practical strategies that you can succeed on your channel. The first thing you have to do is to redefine success. What is success to you? I mean, take your time, redefine success and the kind of success you are looking at. I know earlier on when you're starting up as a content creator, it's just because you've heard there is a lot of money to be made, is the second largest search engine, people are making a lot of money, you just want to get in, start creating content. But sit down, redefine what success means to you, what you want to achieve as success, or where you want to be to call this success on YouTube. Now, secondly, you want to find your creator community. You can't be a creator without having a community. So go around, check communities and see which community you can belong to. But I'm offering you one right now. Just go to the link below, the WhatsApp link and the Telegram link. Join that community and start from there. If you're not comfortable with the community, you can now reach out to other communities. But as a small YouTuber, you must have a community of like-minded people, of people who are in the same niche with you, of people who create the same kind of content with you and are facing the same struggles with you. So find your community. Now, the third thing for you to do is to create with intention. Don't just go around chasing trends and anything to put on your channel. Make sure you have an intention on the kind of audience you want to reach out or on the value you want to give out to people. Because one thing you have to know as a small YouTuber is for you to be able to make more money on YouTube is the amount of times that people watch that video. I mean, if you drop a video that is 10 minutes, how long does each person that watch your video watch that video? Some might actually click and watch for 2 seconds, some might actually click and watch for the 10 minutes of the video, and some might watch for 3 minutes and all that. So it also matters, because what happens is the amount of money you make depends on how much people watch the ads that run on your video. Are they attentive enough to complete the ads and then wait for the video to start up? Those are the things you have to consider as a small YouTuber or to keep audience on your videos. And the fourth thing you have to do is to embrace your process. Now, this one is very important for all small YouTubers because you do not want to start up in YouTube today and just blow up. I mean, your first video has 1 million views. You are not going to enjoy the process of growing or of growth. So what you have to do is whatever you're going through at the beginning of your YouTube journey or as a creator, embrace that process, embrace every moment you get on YouTube. Everyone that comments, embrace it. The likes, embrace it, and always appreciate them. Now, before we end this video, go down there and join this community, the WhatsApp community and the Telegram community, so that as small YouTubers, we all can grow together. Let me know what you're facing on your channel. Let me know what you're struggling with, so that we all can come as a community and sort out that problem, or see how we can support you to grow that problem, or to overgrow that problem. Do not forget to go to the comment section and connect with everyone that is there, because there are small YouTubers there that are looking out for you and want to connect with you also. Until next time, stay blessed.